Welcome to ETF Wrap, your weekly digest of the top stories in European ETFs. This week, Euronext and JP Morgan both made major hires to their ETF teams. Elsewhere, bonds dominated the headlines, with Invesco and HSBC both launching fixed income ETFs, while Vanguard eyed entry into the active fixed income space. And finally, 21 Shares launched 4 Bitcoin and Ethereum ETNs on the London Stock Exchange, a seminal moment for cryptocurrencies following FCA approval in March. First up, JP Morgan poached Kieran Fitzpatrick from State Street as Global Head of ETF Product Management. Fitzpatrick, who leaves State Street after nearly 2 decades, will develop JP Morgan's ETF product solutions and operational models. State Street said it is actively recruiting internally and externally for Fitzpatrick's replacement. Meanwhile, Euronext hired Arnold Llinas as Head of ETFs and Indices. Llinas, formerly from Amundi, will drive further growth in Euronext's expanding ETF business. Next up, HSBC Asset Management has launched 4 ETF share classes for its 12 billion global aggregate bond ETF, boosting its assets under management to over 50 billion. Meanwhile, Invesco entered the fixed maturity bond ETF market with 5 new products targeting corporate bonds maturing between 2026 and 2030, all listed on the London Stock Exchange. Lastly, Vanguard is considering launching active fixed income ETFs in Europe, after its European Head of Distribution, Robin Laidlaw, revealed at ETF Stream's ETF Ecosystem Unwrapped event that the firm is eyeing entry into the active ETF space amid a new era of fixed income investing. Finally, 21 Shares has launched its first crypto ETNs on the London Stock Exchange, following FCA approval for professional investor access. WisdomTree also listed 2 Bitcoin and Ethereum products, while Cboe UK became the second exchange following the LSE to accept ETNs of the 2 crypto exposures in March. And that's a wrap for this week. Thanks for joining us, and hit subscribe to keep up to date with all the latest in ETFs.